Hello, in this video we are going to see how to encrypt an unencrypted EBS volume and an RDS instance. I hope you guys have watched my last video regarding the installation of WordPress in AWS EC2 and RDS. Let's move on to the task without any delay. First go to the EC2 instance. For completing this task we are required to stop this instance because we are going to encrypt the volume of this instance since it is unencrypted. So we are required to stop this instance. The thing is that if we stop this instance, then the public IP will be changed. To stop that changing of public IP, we can assign an elastic IP to this instance. So I'm going to the elastic IP section from network and security. Select the allocate elastic IP address. You can select the same region, AP South 1. Leave the rest as it is and allocate. As you can see, the elastic IP has been allocated. Now we need to associate this. Select the elastic IP and click on actions, associate elastic IP address, then select the instance, then click on associate. Okay, it is 233.74. As you can see, the elastic IP has been assigned to the instance. Let's copy the IP address, then we can go to our Ubuntu terminal. Let's try to access the instance now. SSH dash I, the parent key, Ubuntu is the user, then the IP, and click on enter. As you can see, we are able to access the instance. Okay, come back to the AWS console. Now we can stop this instance. Go to the storage, select on the volume ID. As you can see, the volume is not encrypted. We need some details from this volume. First thing is this availability zone. It is AP South 1B. Copy that, and also this thing slash dev slash sta1. Copy that. So you can see those details are in my clipboard now. Diversity A1, AP South 1B. Then go to volume again. Click on this action. Create snapshot. No need to fill anything. Create snapshot. Let's go to the snapshot page. Snapshot status is pending. We need to wait. The status has changed to completed. Okay. Let's select this and click on action. And click on create volume from snapshot. Here we need to select AP South 1B, which we have copied earlier. Both of the volumes should be in the same availability zone. And click on this encryption. Enable this toggle key, encrypt this volume. Select the KMS key. I'm selecting an AWS managed key. We can give a tag for this in order to identify. I'm giving volume and unencrypted. Sorry, encrypted. Then create volume. Let's go to the volume section. As you can see, the volume has been created. It's in the OK status and it's available to use. Now let's detach the root volume from the instance. Click on the unencrypted volume, which is already attached to the instance. Select the actions and click on detach volume. Detach. Successfully detached volume. Okay. You can see that both the volumes are in available state now. Let's select the encrypted volume now. Click on actions. Attach the volume. Select the instance. And in the device name, you need to give the thing which we copied earlier. This dev SDA1 and attach volume. And the volume has been attached. Now we can start the instance. Before that, we can check the storage. Yes, it's encrypted. Okay, I'm starting the instance now. I have initiated the starting process. Yes, it's running now. Let's try to access the server now. As you can see, we are able to access the server. Now let's encrypt an unencrypted RDS instance. Let's go to the RDS dashboard. I already have an RDS here, but I believe it's encrypted. Let us check. Yes, it is encrypted. So I am going to create a new unencrypted RDS instance. Select MySQL and coupling create tag. Plus additional configuration. I am not opting for this enable encryption. And now create database. Closing this. Let us wait until this RDS is available. Successfully created database 1. The status is backing up, but I believe the database is available now. Let's copy the endpoint. This is the endpoint, and I'm saying that this is the endpoint. Marking it as unencrypted. Back to the console. Let's wait till it's available. And the status has changed to available. Now Let's take a snapshot of this database. I'm closing this. It is not available yet. Let's wait. The snapshot has been successfully created and the status is available. And click on the DB1 snapshot. Action. Copy the snapshot in the same region. I'm giving this name. Then enabling the encryption. Selecting the AWS Manager KMS key. Copy snapshot. The snapshot is being copied. Let's wait. The encrypted snapshot is created now. Select this. You can see that this is encrypted. The KMS key ID is here. Okay, click on action. Then restore snapshot. MySQL engine. I'm giving the same instance identifier as the first RDS, that is database 1. Selecting t3.micro. And leaving the rest as it is. You can see the encryption is enabled here. The database is available now. Let's select the identifier and we can copy the endpoint and let's compare it with the endpoint of the first database which we deleted. You can see this is exactly same as this one. So the applications or websites which are already integrated with this endpoint will receive data from this RDS instance as the endpoint username and password are the same. There is another way to do this. Make a new database using the snapshot, give it a different name, and switch out all the old endpoints in the application with the new one. I hope the video was useful. Do comment your doubts and feedbacks below. See you in the next video.